Okay, so now this is video blog number 5 on the steps of selling your home. So last time we chatted, the house was going in the MLS, and excited to say we've had several showings, and at the open house we actually were presented an offer, and we'll discuss that next. But when a house is listed on the MLS, agents will request for showings. We use a Supra Lockbox that will track all agents that come in to show the property. And it should tell you when it ends, but that doesn't always work, 100%. But it lets us know that the licensed agent that is showing the home and their contact information so that our team can follow up with them afterwards to see how the showing went. Well, in order to set up showings, we use a program called Showing Time. And it's utilized through the MLS, which makes it very streamlined for those tech agents out there. I know we're still learning the changes and trying to coordinate that, but if it's vacant, it's very simple. They go in, they log in the date and time that they're going to show the home, and it also helps facilitate that you don't have two showings at the same time, so that a buyer really gets the time to look at the property and determine if this is the home that they want to purchase. But if it's occupied, what it does is it allows the agent to reach out to the current owners without contacting them directly. It enables a system, a person in between, without having a live person like myself or another agent having to call back and forth to figure out the best date and time. But this allows the buyer agent to go in and request a time based on the stipulations that we've programmed it. So if it's occupied, we'll put in there the time needed to request, etc., and how the client, our seller, will receive that request, whether it be by text, a phone call, or an email. And they have the option to have all three if they like. And when they respond, then the buyer agent can confirm we have a showing. And this allows for everyone to know who's coming, when they're coming, and what the timeline is. And then they'll utilize that Super Lockbox to gain access. And so we've had some showing requests that already happened. My husband on the house was so excited. He's like, oh, look at this. I know someone's showing the house tomorrow. Even though we have a offer on the table, we still are showing it until we have the offer accepted. The next step is to review an offer and what that takes and the notes that we go through. So stay tuned for video 6. Take care, guys. Bye.